What's up guys? So, first of all, the Huawei P50 series will unveil on 29th of July, and the P50 series is set to feature 3 devices, the Huawei P50, P50 Pro and most probably the P50 Pro Plus. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, according to a Vivo user, Huawei may launch the P50 and the P50 Pro models first before launching the P50 Pro Plus. He also mentions that the 4G variants of the smartphones may be announced first, before the 5G versions. And you know what is more interesting thing? I told you back there that Qualcomm might launch a 4G only chip for the Huawei P50 series, and that news is now coming to reality. Because now Qualcomm is finally planning to build a new Snapdragon 888 chip without the 5G connectivity, so it will be a new platform with a model number SM8450, while the current 888 chip is SM8350 model number. Anyway, according to a leakster, the Huawei P50 series, scheduled to launch in late July, will be powered by this new Qualcomm chip, so Huawei don't have enough chip to launch the P50 series, so finally Qualcomm is helping Huawei to launch the Huawei P50 series, and it will not be a 5G device. But I guess it's not a big deal, because most of the people are still using LTE aka 4G in their devices, and due to shortage of 5G chip, Huawei can't launch all phones with 5G connectivity. And again, Chinese companies cannot trade with US companies on any 5G related matter, including ARM chips. However, we have confirmation from company executives that LTE is still fair again. The limitations are pattern based, so the P50 series might use a Qualcomm chip at this time, and few models, especially the Chinese market, will indeed use the Kirin 9000 5G chip. But those smartphones will be highly limited, and also the price of the P50 series will be comparatively low, due to the 4G chip. Anyway, previously it was rumored that the Huawei's Mate 50 family is cancelled after all, because Huawei's supply crisis has rapidly gotten so bad that it is rumored to have dropped plans to launch a high-end phablet, the Mate 50 series, this year. However, a new twist in this tale suggests that the company might feel it is equal to defying these leaks after all, because an outlet called China Securities News claims to have broken the exclusive news that Huawei has gotten that it does indeed plans to release the Mate 50 series after all. Then again, it might arrive much later than projected, just like the Huawei's P50 series, a family which is still expected to take place in the second quarter of 2021. So finally, the Mate 50 series will launch, you can say much later, but after all it is not cancelled, so the best is finally coming. By the way, with it said, we have some major news on the Galaxy S21 FE. A few days ago we heard that Samsung has postponed the release of the handset to Q4 of this year, which means the earliest we could see the handset will be in October. But now, we're getting reports from South Korea that the handset will only be launched in just a couple of markets. So, according to this Korean media, the S21 FE will be launched in October in the US and Europe, which means the handset may not be released in Asia, Canada, Japan, Australia, and even in their own home turf, the South Korea. And the reason mentioned that is the global chip shortage. Also, now what's not mentioned here is whether they are going to do limited sales in the US and Europe at first and launch the handset in other markets later, or are they going to cancel the handset altogether in other markets? So I guess we'll have to wait and see what happens. Rest assured I'll keep you posted. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.